Hello everyone, today we're going to Tallarook State Forest. Myself and my stepbrother in his Hilux. We're going to go to Tallarook State Forest. Now it's been raining all day and yesterday was raining. We've had pretty bad weather here in Melbourne recently. So we're going to see how tough these tracks are. Without further ado, let's get to the track. We're going to go fill up some petrol, get a few Red Bulls, and we'll be on our way. Let's go. All good? All right. That is fucking hectic. I don't know how we're gonna go with this. That's crazy. I got diff lock on. Oh, this is fucked. This is actually cooked. Oh. Bro, that shit is so fucking scary.
Hell. Yeah, no, I was worried. As long as you go slow going back, you're right.
Yeah. I think that's a no-go.
I want to try it.
Okay. Because you could winch up the step.
That's what I'm thinking, yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to winch myself up. But like if I go up there, I could winch you up.
Yeah.
You need speed, I feel.
Yeah, you got to stick to this that right bit. You can't go in the ruts, otherwise no chance.
You don't reckon?
Yeah, that's what I was doing, but up to you. It just gets steeper and steeper.
I know. And that bit up top's like a hump, and that's gonna be. You kind of want to go.
That's a step, yeah.
Over there.
Fuck, I was scared.
Yeah, I know. I could tell.
Because once I go back, bro, I just start sliding.
I know. I heard your tow bar hit.
Yeah.
You felt it.
And I had diff lock and everything on.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't even have that.
Yeah.
I'd probably get fucked.
Look at this. So close. Do you want to go a different route or you want to winch up? So this part of the track in Tallarook was off of Orange track onto Stony Creek track. This was the first black track that we did, and the guy in the Hilux didn't have rear diff lock. I had rear diff lock, but even I had trouble with this track. It was just pretty much made out of slate and clay, and the muddies did basically nothing. So yeah, we took our time on this one. We had to winch up it, and then we went through all around to Jenkins #1 track, Rocky track, and then yeah, basically just all these different greens and blue tracks. We were using new tracks to get around, but yeah, we only ended up doing about 2 or 3 different black tracks. We were there for about 3 hours, so
Yeah, it's because you don't have diff lock, that's why.
Yeah.
Because this one just spins. You'll be alright.
I got out one of them.
Yeah.
I just got stuck.
Yeah. Hang on. I think you need to go, yeah, that way a little bit. Yeah, go try. Stop. Yep. Yeah. Go slow. Oh fuck. That's right, you're not quite there yet. Go forward a little bit. Alright, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop. That's hard down, so it's got to be.
Maybe that'll help.
Yeah. I reckon keep it like that, yeah. Go, 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 go. That's right, stop, 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 stop. Should do it. What do you reckon? Leaking? Don't say that.
It's like coming out the door.
Of water?
Yeah, it is.
What?
It's in the door.
Give that a go. It might not like it. Nice! Holy fuck!
What happened there?
The fucking Maxtrax flew out!
Is my car alright?
Yeah, your car went straight under the wheel.
Holy shit.
I feel like you've been here.
Yeah. I guess it'd be very similar. Well, that looks like a safe way. That looks like tricky.
Whoa, I swear we've been here.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This is where my tyre popped, isn't it?
No, this is where we went the other week. And I bottomed out.
Oh, no shit.
This is definitely that one.
We were at Wombat, weren't we?
Oh yeah, we were. This looks exactly the same though. Because
I never saw this bit though.
No.
This bit on the right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This looks exactly the same as the other week.
Yeah. It does.
How deep is it?
Yeah. That's all in. Is that full tyre?
Yeah, probably. I think he's going to bottom out in this. Fucking hell. Yo, that's scary. That's scary. That's scary. That was deep. That was deep.
Oh my god. Fuck me. That was almost worse. Kinda. That was almost scarier than what I did, bro.
I was all over the joint. Holy shit.
Yeah, you're fucking...
Alright, well, that's going to do it for Tallarook. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. I know the lighting's pretty bad. It's about 6 o'clock right now. If you guys did enjoy the video, give it a like, subscribe if you're brand new, and if you do like this content, then stick around and check out my MP300 playlist in the top right hand corner. Alright, see you guys.